Hello there. After studying about the method of the meat preservation, the next topic it is thawing. Thawing in general term it is nothing but the reverse of freezing, but the thawing will require a greater amount of the time compared to that of the freezing. Why this is so? This is because of the thermal conductivity of the water. It is lower than that compared to the ice, and the heat has to be transferred from the water to the ice. Now the meat can be thawed before the completion of rigor mortis and after the completion of rigor mortis. If you are thawing it before the completion of rigor mortis, the meat will be undergoing the rigor mortis during the time of thawing, which will result into the associated toughening. And if you are thawing it post rigor mortis, it will result into the drip loss. Drip loss, it is nothing but the exudation of the juice out of the meat. It is known as drip loss. The process of completion of the rigor mortis during the thawing, it is known as thaw rigor, because or therefore the meat should be preferably frozen in the post rigor condition only. The choice of the thawing depend on the many factors, that is none of our concern. Then the types of the thawing include three types: cold air thawing with the help of coolers, warm air thawing which will be done in the room temperature itself, and the third one is microwave or the dielectric heating. It is said that the microbe do not grow on the thawed meat compared to that of the fresh meat, but the products are perishable as soon as the surface temperature will be exceeding 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it is said that prolonged thawing period before the cooking or the processing should be always avoided. As I had said you that the thawing will require more amount of the time compared to that of freezing. This graph will give you the justification to that statement. You can look at this during the time of freezing. To reduce the temperature from 30 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius, it is taking 6.5 hours. And in the thawing, to increase the temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, the time taken is similar, that is 6.5 hours. You have to notice the temperature gradient and the time required. You will notice that the thawing is taking much amount of the time compared to that of the freezing.